In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cash to portfolio in Simply Safe Dividends. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your portfolio's cash position is reflected accurately, which helps your total return and allocation metrics make sense. Start by heading to Portfolios. This is your main hub inside Simply Safe Dividends, where all of your tracked portfolios live. You may have one portfolio or several, and this page is where you can jump between them. Think of it as your dashboard for everything related to your holdings and their performance. Next, go to your desired portfolio. Click into the portfolio you want to update so you're editing the right one. It sounds simple, but it's worth pausing for a moment to confirm the portfolio name at the top of the page, especially if you track different accounts or strategies. Keeping your changes in the correct place saves time and avoids confusion later. Inside that portfolio, look under the Holdings area. This is the table that lists the securities you track, and it also includes a line dedicated to cash. The cash line is important because it represents dry powder you might deploy later, dividends that haven't been reinvested yet, or money you've set aside for upcoming buys. Including it keeps your asset allocation and income projections realistic. When you see cash, click on Edit. The edit control may appear as a button or a small pencil icon depending on your screen size, but it serves the same purpose. It opens the field where you can adjust the cash balance. Make sure you're editing the cash line, not a stock or fund, so the change applies correctly. Now enter the cash amount. Type the cash balance you want reflected in this portfolio. Double check the figure before moving on, especially if you're updating from a bank or brokerage statement. If you're consolidating multiple cash sources, add them up first so the total you enter matches what you intend to track here. Consistency helps your performance and allocation charts stay accurate. Finally, click on Save Changes. This confirms your update and refreshes the portfolio. After saving, look back at your holdings table to verify that the cash line shows your new amount. You should also see the portfolio totals and allocation percentages adjust automatically, giving you an accurate snapshot of your investable cash alongside your securities. That's all it takes. By keeping your cash position current, you get a clearer picture of your portfolio's balance, your risk exposure, and your readiness to act on new opportunities. Thanks for watching, and keep your portfolio data fresh so your decisions are always grounded in the most accurate view.